There's been a huge controversy shaking up the OTT space in India with bans, clarifications, and celebrity reactions. Let's break it down for you in simple terms. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has reportedly blocked 25 OTT platforms. Authorities say these apps streamed obscene and pornographic content with little to no storyline, filled with nudity and vulgarity. Officials claimed that these platforms violated several Indian laws, especially the IT Act, and showed content that was, in their words, highly objectionable. Actress and politician Kangana Ranaut strongly supported the move and said, "In order to preserve the overall culture of our country and the future path of our youngsters, and so that our society does not collapse completely, this step was much awaited and is now much appreciated. The action taken against these apps, especially the illegal ones, is highly appreciated." But things got messy when Ekta Kapoor's OTT platform ALTT was listed among the banned apps. She quickly issued a public statement. Taking to Instagram, Ekta Kapoor said that she and her mother, Shobha Kapoor, aren't associated in any capacity with ALTT, adding that they had stepped down from their association with ALTT way back in June 2021. The statement read, "Balaji Telefilms Limited, listed on the BSE and NSE, is a professionally run media organization and following the recent amalgamation of Alt Digital Media Entertainment Limited, previously its wholly owned subsidiary, duly approved by the HOBLE NCLT, it operates ALTT WEF 20th June 2025. Ekta clarified that neither she nor Shobha is connected with ALTT. Media reports have been in circulation about ALTT being disabled by the authorities. However, contrary to such reports, Ms. Ekta Kapoor and Mrs. Shobha Kapoor are not associated in any capacity whatsoever with ALTT, and they had stepped down from their association with ALTT way back in June 2021. Any insinuation contrary to the above facts is strongly denied and media is requested to report the accurate facts. Balaji Telefilms Limited is fully compliant of all applicable laws and continues to operate its business with the highest standards of corporate governance, concluded the statement. She captioned the post, "To whomsoever it may concern." So what do you think about this OTT cleanup? Is it needed or overreach? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.